In front of us today and up for your consideration is this 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport 2-door. This one has just 45,000 miles on the odometer. New wheels and tires. A new base top, soft top slant back, soft top to be specific. Give you a quick exterior walk around for this example, and then we'll take a closer look both inside and out for this Jeep. This is a recently applied matte green wrap that this one's finished in. Gives it kind of almost a vintage Jeep vibe. Obviously retrofitted headlights here, upgraded. We have our winch assembly up front, SoFlo winch. As far as cosmetic condition, obviously this has been wrapped, so take that into account. Kind of gives it a fresh vibe here. Even the black trim still looks pretty fresh, recently conditioned. A little bit of weathering up here on this surface especially, just because this obviously takes a lot of sunlight up here. Got a little blemish right there. Taking a look down the side here. A little bit of blemishing on the wrap. Looks like it's on the wrap there, yeah. And a little bit down here as well. The side steps look good though. Of course, brand new soft top, so wouldn't expect to see any damage up there. A little bit of fading and kind of almost like a scratching there on the black plastic around the rear left wheel. Coming around back here, look at that soft top once again. Full-size spare with, of course, the upgraded wheels and tires. Wheel and tire, singular since it's the spare. Have our tow hitch receiver down there. A little bit of damage back here on the rear bumper. Rear right corner, same thing here as well. Looks like maybe a slight side swipe there of something. Looking down the passenger side now. So again, same thing here. A little bit of blemishing on the bottom of the wrap there by the door, bottom of the door. Again, black plastic looks pretty good. Again, a couple little, little scratch right there. A couple small blemishes. Nothing severe. So there's a look at the outside. Let's have a look real quick underneath, just so you can see the suspension and undercarriage setup. Let's take a look around back as well. Accelerate here. Go. Let's have a look inside. Black cloth interior for this one. A little bit of scratching here on the door panel. Down here as well. A little bit of weathering on the black plastic there by your door rail. A little bit of staining on the seat. Center console looks pretty good though. No significant signs of wear there. Same thing with the controls of the center console here. Gear selection, and then of course your differentials there for 2- and 4-wheel drive. Let's hop in. Real quick, gotta find the key in my pocket. There it is. Got it. Okay. Let's have a look at the steering wheel here. There's a couple little blemishes around the outside. A couple more over here. By and large though, it's pretty clean in here. Same thing with the buttons. Nothing, no surface is worn off here from what I can tell. Let's go ahead and start it up. We got a steering column key start. Fires right up. No warning lights on the dash. TPM system is of course coming up because of the custom tires. There's your odometer, 45,143. Center control stack. Really no signs of wear that I can see here. Let's turn that fan speed down so we don't muffle ourselves. Radio. It's currently on Sirius XM. A little bit of wear and peeling here on the rearview mirror. The passenger side sun visor is not quite wanting to stay up. That's why we have it down currently. The headliner there. Back seats. I could probably use a better vacuuming, but by and large, only a little bit of staining. So there we have it. Shut her down. Still no warning lights other than the TPMS light. Look around back here. Cargo area. A little bit smaller, of course, because it's the two-door variant, but nonetheless, still practical. Some scratches and blemishes here on the back side of your trunk door panel. Definitely has been used. Same thing on the back side here of the spare tire mount. And I'd like to point out one more little blemish in the wrap right there, right above the handle for the trunk. There you have it. 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport, two-door, 45,000 miles, new wheels, tires, matte green wrap, winch up front, slant, soft top, up for your consideration.